Okay, everybody. So now we have more people out here. Say hi, everybody. NJ12. These are the brave souls that have come down here today to witness this water right here. As you can see, the water is going up another inch. This is Elizabeth, New Jersey. We got more people out here now. Everyone's anxious to see how this water is going to affect our city. Hopefully Mayor Bolwage has money to help us out. God forbid any of the houses get washed up. We have any more serious casualties. Now my feet are completely soaked. Say hi. Say hi, New Jersey 12. Another brave soul. So what's your opinion about the storm?
I love the storm.
Why are you out here today?
Take pictures. It's amazing.
It is.
I like stuff like this. It's dangerous for everybody, but I'm into stuff like this.
Me too. That's why I'm down here. As you see, I'm the only one black girl with a weave. But we're all out here today because this right here it's almost like a beautiful nightmare. It looks so dangerous, yet it's so beautiful, especially for all of you water lovers out there. Just take a look at the waves increasing. Oh yeah, I'm gonna put this on YouTube. As you see now, my feet are completely soaked. Got some more brave souls coming before the police come and shut us down. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a walk. Next to our brand new $200,000 condominiums. Let's see how they're coping with things today. Oh, no one's out. This is the view. As you can see, we are surrounded by a large body of water connecting us to the Hudson River. This is the left side. As you can see, it's soaked. Never been this high, not for the 4 years that I've lived here. Sorry, I have to clean up. As you can see, the waves are just increasing and increasing and increasing. I know all my friends are probably like, this is crazy as hell, but I just really wanted to see this shit. This is amazing. Just look at that. Going over here, you can see a little bit more of the tides and the waves coming in. This is the record for Elizabeth. It's never been this high. Not even when Irene came, we didn't even get touched. As you can see, the water on this side is actually even higher than it is on the other side. So for all of you that are from Elizabeth, I'm taking the famous walk down to the end and back. Just give me a second. Walking as fast as I can with the wind ripping my face. Beautiful greenery. We needed this rain anyway because our grass over here was dry and ugly. Okay, so as you can see, I'm walking more coastline. Here's our $200,000, $300,000, and $400,000 condos. They're just recently built, overlooking this water. Okay. I'm taking a brave walk for all of us. I know I'm crazy. I don't have anything else to do. Hopefully I'll get put on Channel 12 or Channel 7 or Channel 9 because there's no news people out here doing this. take the full walk and get up close and personal on the rocks. The wind is getting really strong. It's so strong, you definitely can't use it. Okay, so I'm in a spot where you can see right here on this grass and how the water is already rising. There's no barricades over here, no levees, nothing blocking this water from coming up into beautiful Elizabeth and these beautiful condos right behind it. You might use money to buy you something beautiful, but money can't buy you everything, especially protection. I don't know, maybe that wall right there will help them, but we have no dams out here. We have nothing. Elizabeth's considered genuinely a really ghetto or urban area. It really is quite beautiful. And for the money that the cops get from us for parking tickets and street cleaning tickets and all types of shit, you would think that they'd have money to help us out in a situation like this. I mean, look, there's not even a cop stopping me from filming this. This is clearly dangerous. This whole thing shouldn't even be open. There's a little kid that could come out for curiosity and walk their ass all the way down. Anyway, enough about me ranting. Alright, so now we are at the second part of the pier. Closer to Arthur Hill Apartments, Staten Island, we're looking. Shout out to my boys! Always love to see that. So, here we are walking. As you can see, that's all the way back there where you see the lights. That's where I just walked from. All the way over there. You can get a better view now of the freights and the cargoes and all that. Maybe I have a protected by that same word. Sounds like the same word I said before. Okay. So here we are. Here we are right here. Sliding down a little bit. Oh, okay. This is exactly what I'm looking for. I'll show you guys. Get out of here after this because it looks quite scary. Mind you, it's early. We haven't seen half of what we're going to see today. But I want you to take a look at these waves. All the way out in the middle. I wish I had consumed on this iPhone, but I can't. The wind is really pulling me over here. Okay. Woo! This shit's strong. Alright. Let me hurry up and go and come back so I don't get arrested and so I don't get locked As you can see, down here, it is no joke. It is no joke. No joke. These waves, these are strong. Holding on to my iPhone as tight as possible, guys, because this wind is so strong down here. I could feel it trying to take my iPhone. Look at this. This is major. Of the pier. As you can see down there, there's the pier. Okay, but I'm going to call it quits right here. I just wanted to show you up close and personal what this is looking like. And funny because this is actually a place